Namo Buddhaya, 𝐸 Dear Dhamma friends, let me share where we began, what we've built, and where we hope to go. Back in 2015, we started these English Dhamma programs with a great hope to help children and families understand the Buddha's teachings in a language they could truly connect with. Many parents living overseas and in Colombo told us, our children speak English, but they are missing out on the most precious gift, the Buddha's teachings. So with the blessings of our teacher, most venerable Kiribati ஞானானந்த Mahathera, we began first from Kadwala, then renting small halls. Eventually, we built a small monastery in a rented property in Kotte. Then came the pandemic. But instead of stopping, we moved online. Children from around the world, from the Middle East, Australia, Europe, North America, and India joined in. We invited children and families to come learn, to meet monks, and to discover who the Buddha really was and what he realized, his noble disciples, the Sangha, and how we can live by his teachings even in this modern world. And not only Sri Lankans, we've had the opportunity to share the Dhamma with many around the world, including non-Buddhists. Some now translate the Dhamma into their languages like Polish, Hindi, Marathi, Spanish. We've also conducted sessions for NGO volunteers to learn Buddhist principles such as compassion, mindfulness, the Four Noble Truths, and many great important topics like karma from the Buddha's teachings. At Colombo Dhamma Friends, we provide step-by-step training for the little disciples of our Supreme Buddha, especially for new Buddhists. First, through the Buddha's words, we help them see the reality of life, that chasing fun and material things won't bring real happiness. Instead of focusing on personal gain, they start to find joy in selflessly helping others and practicing generosity. Then we train the mind through mindfulness, meditation, and to be aware of the thoughts. Eventually they develop deep-rooted faith and respect towards the Triple Gem, living by the Dhamma, not only on the Poi days and during the programs, but every day. At school, at home, in hard times, and also in happy times. And the results are beautiful. From children to teenagers to adults, we have witnessed profound transformations, choosing patience over anger, humility over pride, and forgiveness over resentment. Now after 9 years of renting, it's time to take the next step. Building a permanent English Dhamma Center in Colombo by the Dhamma friends who are connected with Colombo Dhamma friends from all parts of the world. A peaceful sanctuary with a sacred Bodhi tree, a majestic stupa, a Dhatu Mandira with relics of the Supreme Buddha and great Arahants, 3 Dhamma halls, residence for over 20 months, rooms for retreats, a place you can call your own, your second home. So dear parents, dear children, everyone, we invite you to be part of this noble vision. Let's build this monastery together. May your children grow up with the association of the Noble Triple Gem. May they build this monastery with their own hands and hearts. And may we all one day look at it and say, yes, we were a part of this great deed. May the Supreme Buddha's teachings shine on your lives. May you all grow with wisdom and happiness. May we all reach the highest bliss of Nibbana in this Gautama Buddha's dispensation. Namo Buddhaya, 𝐸